How to buy Akio token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created just 3 days ago and increased by 900% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in this safe place. This token trending number 3 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund to wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Akio token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.